फैलूंगा नहीं. If you live in Bombay, you're a star kid, you're a nepo baby, whatever the word is, I don't know. You do have access. You can pick up the phone. You meet people. You have that entry into their homes, their parties, their houses, their social circle.
Yeah.
That's a fact. Can't do anything about it.
For sure.
It's a privilege for sure.
Of course.
And that privilege perhaps will get you your first couple of jobs. But eventually it will be your talent and your hard work that will sustain you. It doesn't matter if you're a star kid or not a star kid.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if whose son you are, daughter you are or not. If you're good and if you're successful, they will accept you and celebrate you. If you're not, then tata, thank you, bye bye.
Then you can be whoever's son and daughter.
It doesn't
and
matter. And then perhaps the fall is also harder.
मेरा कोई सीक्रेट पता है तुम लोगों को?
कि तेरे पेट में कुछ रहता ही नहीं है.
कुछ ज्यादा ही पता है. Things we don't want to know.
Okay. ऐसा
Or nobody should ever know.
Hi everyone, this is your host Riya and today we have with us Avantika Dasani, Huma Qureshi and Naveen Kasturia here. Welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank
well
you.
guys, love the trailer and all the very best and congratulations for the season 2 of Mithya. अब ये कितनी ये चैप्टर कितना डार्क होगा ये तो शो देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा. ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स भी होंगे. ट्रेलर से दिख ही रहा है. Well, but I want to know from the cast itself that what like Naveen आपका तो ये सीजन 2 में एंट्री है but what made you say immediately yes and what was the thing from your end कि हाँ ये कुछ नया है, ये इंटरेस्टिंग है.
देखिए जो सीजन 1 करते हैं उनका तो मुझे पता नहीं सीजन 2 करने का ऑप्शन होता होगा या नहीं होता होगा. दे हैव टू डू इट. जितना मुझे अपने अनुभव से समझ में आया. माइन वाज लाइक मुझे जो मैं 4 लाइन का आइडिया सुना था कि क्या कहानी है और मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ उसमें. सो आई उसके तुरंत बाद आई जस्ट वांटेड टू डू इट एंड व्हेन आई रेड द स्क्रिप्ट आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि जो सुना था वैसा ही है. एंड हाँ फिर पैसा भी ठीक था.
ऑब्वियसली या प्रायोरिटी हुई है उसके लिए तो कर रहे हैं.
नहीं मतलब ऐसा नहीं बट वो भी अच्छा मिल जाए तो अच्छी बात है.
पैशन एज वेल या.
What
about you? Like season 2 में आपकी expectations match हुई when you read the story and when
I
you
think
did
so.
it?
In fact, I think it superseded it. Season 2, season 1 से definitely बहुत better है. Better कहानी है, better story है, better dialogues हैं, better नए characters हैं, better नए पुराने characters की graph है.
Were you Avantika?
नहीं इसको नहीं अच्छा लगा. बोलती है ठीक है इसका कोई खास नहीं है.
चलो दार्जिलिंग हॉलिडे.
छुट्टी आते तुम लोग भी ठीक ही हो.
उधर जाके थोड़ा मोमोज खाते हैं.
मोमोज
डम्पलिंग पर उधर जाके मोमोज खाएंगे.
Well, जूही, रिया और अमित के बीच में क्या चल रहा है ऑन स्क्रीन वो तो पता ही चलने वाला है कुछ ही दिनों में. बट व्हाट्स योर ऑफ स्क्रीन बॉन्डिंग अगर मैं बात करूंगी आप तीनों का एक दूसरे का फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन क्या था? एट व्हाट पॉइंट यू इमीडिएटली क्लिक्ड? वाइब मैच हो गई?
Who said we clicked?
वो तो
stand them.
We don't talk to each other.
Stand the both of them.
और ये एक ही चीज है अभी तक जितना हमने दिया जो मिथ्या नहीं है.
ये सत्य
ये सत्य है.
बाकी सब ऐसे रट्टू तोता आंसर. बहुत मजा आया.
क्या था
So funny.
बहुत अच्छे को एक्टर.
लव दिस बॉन्डिंग लाइक या एकदम बहनों बहनों वाली है.
मैं भी बहन.
मैं दिखाओ अपनी फोटो दिखाओ. मेन
एक बड़ी बहन छोटी बहन जब भी करते हैं ना तो ऐसे ही करते हैं.
ये तो है वैसे.
बेसिकली इसका अगला सीजन 3 होगा विद द 3 सिस्टर्स. अभी तक सस्पेंस हमें सस्पेंस है कि बहन है कि
आनंद त्यागी had one more illegitimate child.
और ये ओ बेसिकली ये लड़की है मगर ये लड़के के बेस में आके हमको
You have not seen a girl like this, man.
Between
just look at the density of this मुच्छी यार. Come on.
What do you mean? Girls की कौन सा मुच्छी देखो अवंतिका.
इतना डेंस तो किसी की नहीं है यार.
Of course,
अवंतिका मुच्छी दिखाओ अपनी. मुच्छी हो तो नथुलाल जैसी.
No, but that's
मुच्छी हो तो हमें
today we've given you a spoiler, the fact that Anand Tyagi had one more illegitimate child.
Kitri, you remember?
Which is not him, but it's
That's
her.
on me. अब आनंद त्यागी का है तो
थोड़ा तो बनता है.
थोड़ा तो अलग होगा.
Yeah, but you know what's more interesting कि ये जो डार्क चैप्टर है डार्कर चैप्टर है. डार्कर चैप्टर सुन के लगता नहीं है कि ये कपिल शर्मा ने डायरेक्ट की होगी. मतलब कहाँ से?
हाय को पहले बोल लो उनको खत्म. हाँ क्यों लगता है?
क्योंकि मेरे को कमेंट सेक्शन में भी मैंने इतने पढ़े हैं कि इट वाज अनएक्सपेक्टेड व्हेन दे, चलो ठीक है ये हो रहा है, ओके ओके, लास्ट में डायरेक्टेड बाय कपिल शर्मा, ओके, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों के लिए अनएक्सपेक्टेड है ये और सरप्राइजिंग
तो
पार्ट
आपको
भी
लग रहा
है।
है ये कपिल शर्मा
कॉमेडी विद कपिल
वाली?
शर्मा।
कर्मा
नहीं है,
अगर वो
Comedy
डायरेक्टर
with
होंगे तो
Kapil.
यहाँ
वो
पे
मिथ
तो
आप बर्स्ट कर दो फिर, क्योंकि सब लोग बोल रहे हैं
Guys,
कि कपिल शर्मा है।
कपिल शर्मा बहुत ज्यादा जो कॉमेडी करते हैं
वो
of course,
नहीं है।
ये वो नहीं है। वो बहुत टैलेंटेड है, वो बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हैं, बहुत अच्छे स्टैंड अप हैं, बहुत अच्छे होस्ट हैं, मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, मगर वो इसके डायरेक्टर नहीं है।
ये दूसरी कपिल
ये एक
शर्मा
और
है।
कपिल शर्मा है जिनका नाम भी कपिल शर्मा है, और वो कपिल शर्मा जैसे ना दिखते हैं
हाँ।
और सेंस में उनका अच्छा है, मगर इतना अच्छा नहीं है।
ये होना चाहिए क्योंकि डायरेक्टर के साथ फोटो भी अगर लग जाती तो फिर और अच्छे अच्छे
एंड अवंतिका बताओ उनको उनकी और खास बातें, कपिल हमारे जो डायरेक्टर उनके बारे में।
उन्होंने आर्या सीजन 2 डायरेक्ट किया है
correct.
पहले।
और-
ही इज से
उनकी जो सबसे अमेजिंग बात है
तो और दूसरी जो बात आपको बताना चाहते हैं कि ये जो है, बताओ तुम जो
इसमें
बोलोगी,
इसमें
ये
फनी
नहीं-
बात क्या है
हाँ,
लोग
ये रशियन नहीं है, ऐसे बोला अभी।
नाइजीरिया में
correct.
लोग पैदा नहीं होते क्या?
ये नाइजीरियन है।
Really?
So how is that funny?
It's not funny. It's a
It's- it's a-
this is the section in this chat where we are debunking myths.
Yes.
Kapil
Yeah.
Sharma is not that Kapil Sharma.
Yeah.
It's a
It's
different
not
Kapil
comedy
Sharma.
like Kapil
that-
Sharma.
You said I'm a Russian. I'm saying he's not a Russian. He's a Nigerian.
Nigerian.
क्योंकि नाइजीरिया में पैदा हुआ था, तो इस पे तू क्यों ऑफेंड क्यों हो रहा है?
So it's okay. My parents got excited. They went to Nigeria. It's fine, man. It happens.
अद्भुत भाई।
Every time we don't have to say anything. He is the fodder. He is the fodder.
Okay.
Love it.
Avantika, for you, I have this question. From owner of the टी estate to doing next upcoming projects, जहाँ पे आपका अलग अलग तरह का roles भी होगा, how much is difficult for you to, you know, switch your roles, like to experience something else, switching your roles immediately?
I think it's the job of the actor, right?
Yeah.
I know what you're talking about, where I play Gali Ki Ladki from Lucknow, and it's a very, very different space, a very different role, different character. But that's the job of an actor, and that's what's the most exciting bit. So,
Exactly.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's challenging, of course,
Of
but
course.
that's the challenge is the fun.
Nice. But do you guys have any affirmation? जब भी कोई कुछ लोग होते हैं जो when they wake up, when they see mirror, तो वो कुछ affirmation करते हैं सुबह सुबह उठ के कि yeah, you can do this, you can do that.
मैं तो
I
सुबह
know both of us have told me that.
अरे लेकिन
हमारे तो
Yeah,
affirmation क्या होगा? मैं रायता नहीं हूँ।
मैं
पहनूंगा नहीं, मैं नहीं पहनूंगा।
Oh God.
मैं आज सब बे रहूंगा
But why you asked about affirmations? I'm curious.
Because some people do, because it is like inspiring. क्योंकि कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं तो पागल हूँ, ऐसे कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, नहीं, it's normal only. क्योंकि शाहरुख खान itself does.
What?
आप affirmation करते हो? क्या करते हो आप?
What do you
Whenever
say?
I have an important day, तो मैं सुबह उठ के बोलती हूँ कि यार, you're gonna kill it, you're gonna do it, be positive, like that.
Sweet. होता है फिर?
हाँ, because it's in your head ना.
तो और क्या मांग ले कुछ?
अभी मैं सब कुछ तो नहीं बता दूंगी.
आप करते
हमें
हो
बताना जरूरी है.
I
मैंने अभी
journal. I journal. सबका अपना अपना होता है.
बट इट्स अ जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन हियर, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों के दिमाग में एक पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हो जाता है स्टार किड का. बट जैसे कि हाँ, उनको तो आसानी से इजीली इंडस्ट्री में एक्सेस मिल जाता है, फिल्म्स मिल जाती है, बट इट्स नॉट इजी. अगर तुम दूसरी साइड देखोगे तो उनको बहुत क्रिटिसिज्म फेस करना पड़ता है, इतने चैलेंजेस भी, यू नो, देयर इज अ लॉट इन देयर प्लेट, in your plate as well. तो I want to know from you guys, do you have that image कि कैसे लोग इतनी challenges face करने के बाद भी they, you know, have to go through with that and have to prove themselves कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं
Who
है.
has to prove?
What's your like perspective like
About who?
about Star Kids?
You want
You
to?
have to give perspective.
I have to
don't have
perspective.
to.
I mean, I feel poor thing. So basically, she's been asked this question and she's had to say like things, and I was letting her say it because it is she has to speak for her reality. But the fact of the matter, if you genuinely ask me, of course, if you live in Bombay, you're a star kid, you're a nepo baby, whatever the word is, I don't know. You do have access. You can pick up the phone. You meet people. You have that entry into their homes, their parties, their houses, their social circle.
Yeah,
That's a fact. Can't do anything
It's a
about
privilege,
it.
for sure.
It's a privilege for sure.
of course.
And that privilege perhaps will get you your first couple of jobs. But eventually it will be your talent and your hard work that will sustain you.
Yeah.
I'll tell you one thing very, very honestly about this industry. This industry only and only values celebrate success. It doesn't matter if you're a star kid or not a star kid.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if whose son you are, daughter you are, or not. If you're good and if you're successful, they will accept you and celebrate you. If you're not, then tata, thank you, bye bye.
Then you can be whoever's son and daughter.
It doesn't
and
matter.
won't,
And then
count.
perhaps the fall is also harder. So that's what I feel about this
Yeah,
whole situation.
exactly.
And honestly, I mean, today I've been working now for so many years. I'll work my whole life. Whenever I have children, I would want them to be part of my legacy, my industry, right? Today my father has a restaurant business. He wants me to be involved in some capacity. Does that make me, I don't know, privileged in that dunya? Of course it does. But then don't take inheritance.
Yeah.
You know, don't take anything from your parents.
Yeah. एक
हाँ.
tag नहीं मिलना चाहिए.
हाँ, definitely. I feel like we have to set in practices in a systemic way where people keep getting opportunities, where they're open casting calls, or when you're like, you know, telling people like, you're just making the industry more healthier so that this kind of practice is kind of checked at the root. But you shouldn't single out somebody for being somebody's child.
Yeah.
You know, that's really unfair.
It's all about their destiny as well and their talent also.
Yeah.
It depends. Well said. And मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप तीनों में से ऐसा कौन है जो
कितनी क्यूट है. मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप तीनों में से कौन है कि very cute you are. I like.
I also like.
है ना?
Thank
फ्लोट
you.
कर रहे हैं.
नहीं मतलब I just said I also
But she's very cute.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, so I'm gonna ask you कि आप तीनों में से ऐसा कौन है जो सीक्रेट कीपर है, लाइक जिसके साथ डाके से डाके सीक्रेट भी होगा तो दे कैन सेफली कीप फ्रॉम
मैं
Either of us, not him.
That is true. Actually, she's also good secret keeper. So am I. मतलब हम लोग लगते हैं कि हम बोल देंगे, पर कभी नहीं बोलते. इसको तो कुछ बताने की जरूरत ही नहीं.
मेरा
इसका पेट खराब हो जाएगा.
मेरा कोई सीक्रेट पता है तुम लोगों को?
कि तेरे पेट में कुछ रहता ही नहीं है.
कुछ ज्यादा ही पता है. Things we don't want to know.
ओके ऐसा
Or nobody should ever know.
अच्छा then you were the one जो immediately flow में secret
Basically, when you want, you know, interesting, controversial things, let us go. You
Yeah.
sit and continue.
Just alone, just have a long chat.
कभी कभार मैं भावुक होके थोड़ा बह जाता हूँ.
कभी?
हाँ, वो
You
it
can
happens
meet him
to me.
for dinner and he can give you lots to chat about.
well
I like the well. You can meet it. I don't know if I want to dinner. Well.
Well, lastly, before we wrap it up, we're going to quickly do a segment called Who's Who. I'll give you a situation. You have to tell us कि कौन ये sentence किससे match कर रहा है.
Between the three of us, no?
Yep. Yeah. Who's the one who's always calm in high stress situations? You.
I think me also.
Chal.
No.
Next.
हाँ, maybe okay. Huma.
You want to say you?
Huma.
No, not
No, Huma. Actually, no, Huma.
I think me.
I cannot. This
मैं
kind of
से
calmness
खत्म करो
cannot be
चलो.
compared.
Yeah.
हाँ, हाँ.
हाँ चलो.
The one who knows everyone's secret but does not talk about themselves.
I think you would obviously
Again, Huma. I
have
think.
more info.
Yeah.
In
Huma.
Again,
general.
Huma.
She's the smartest.
Nice.
तारीफ.
ताने मार रहा है तू.
नहीं, I mean it.
Who's the one who helps every time even if he or she needs some help?
That's all three, I
That's
feel.
all three.
Yeah,
Yeah,
everyone
ऐसा
was
नहीं है.
very like
Helpful
yeah.
and sweet. Yeah, that's true actually. I
And
agree.
everyone was
We're all very
constantly,
kind.
Yeah.
Wow.
We're nice people.
Wow. ये मैं समझ रही sweetly बोली sarcastic. Wow.
Sweetly though. Who's the one who overthinks a lot?
मैं AD.
Him.
You.
Maybe.
Maybe you. You think so? Yeah.
I do.
I
do
think she thinks a little more
Yeah.
than me.
I do think a lot, but I think he overthinks more.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
मैं सोचता तो इतना बोलता कैसे?
वही प्रॉब्लम है ना.
Filter नहीं है.
तो who's the one जो आपको काम करता है overthinking हो जाती है तो?
Myself. I think and then I tell myself.
She is like self.
Yeah, yeah.
Self. Who's the one who's always hiding their phone or go to somewhere private during phone calls?
Yeah, could be me. I mean, yeah, could be me. Yeah.
Okay.
ऐसे से देखा guilty. हाँ मैं ही हूँ.
Conversation with your mom in the middle of the party. He has gone for 2 hours. He's FaceTiming his mom
So sweet.
in the corner. We don't know if it was his mom or not.
But
We
it
all
is
have
his
assumed
mom. He
it
was chatting with his mom.
Who's the one who makes the serious situation very funny?
How much Qureshi?
Who's the one जो very बहुत shady है?
Bullshit. एक तरफ कोई सीक्रेट नहीं रखा जाता, दूसरी तरफ शेडी है. ये कैसे हो सकता है ये?
Only because इसको बोल देते हैं. Are you upset?
No,
No, he's not shady. We're just doing this because he can't call us shady.
Yeah,
यार
ये.
मैं तारीफ करने पे awkward हो जाता हूँ. जलील होना मुझे पसंद है.
ठीक है, we'll remember this.
But thank you so much.